Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing with you Odia Thali recipes. We are going to make authentic Odia Thali. So without wasting time, we'll get into the video. But before that, follow me on Instagram for daily updates. I will share the link in the description. Please check it out. So let's get into the video. I will begin cooking with vermicelli kheer. It's also known as sevaiya or semia kheer. For this, switch on the flame, heat pan and add ghee into it. Once the ghee heats up, add dry fruits, bay leaf and cardamom seeds. It's time to add sevaiya and fry till it turns a light brown color. Now I will add water, a pinch of salt and sugar into it. Mix them well. Once the sugar completely melted, add milk into it. Simmer until the sevaiya cooked and you get your desired consistency. That's it. We will move for our next recipe. Coming to the next recipe, I am going to make dalma. For this, here I have taken one pressure cooker. Once it heats up, we'll add oil into it. Then goes into this mustard seeds, cumin seeds, grated ginger, dry red chili and some coriander stems. Once it leaves a nice aroma, we'll add onion into it. As the onion turns golden brown in color, I will add veggies. I have taken brinjal, pumpkin and tomatoes. You can add your choice of veggies. Stir them for 2 to 3 minutes. Lastly, we'll add dal into it. I have taken two kinds of dal, tur dal and masoor dal. Add salt and sprinkle some turmeric powder. I will add water into it. We'll cover the lid and cook till 3 whistles. That's it. Next, we'll move forward to aloo chutney. For this, take a pan, heat some oil, add cumin seeds, mustard seeds. Once they start spluttering, add onion and green chilies. Cook until onion gets brown in color. Then add some salt into it. Then goes into this boiled and mashed potatoes and some fresh coriander leaves. Mix well. Lastly, squeeze some lemon juice. Mix again and our aloo chutney is ready. By this time, dalma is ready. All the veggies and dal cooked well. Now we'll add some cumin powder into it and we'll give it a boil for 5 minutes in a medium flame. Then it's ready to serve. I'm going to make chana masala. It's simple to make. Just add onion, ginger garlic paste, tomato and cook them well. Then add the basic Indian masalas like comes mushroom curry with a little twist. Here the procedure will be same as chana masala, but at the end we are going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of curd and kasturi methi to give it a nice aroma. Now I am gonna make Malabar spinach tawa bhaji. In Odisha we call it poi saga. Let's take a bowl, then goes into this rice flour, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and besan. Add water and mix it to form a batter. Then simply dip these Malabar leaves and fry it on tawa. Into the same batter I added garam masala, corn flour and sesame seeds to make vegetable pakoras. Finally, after cooking for 2 to 3 hours, our Odia Thali is ready to serve. I served it on banana leaf. Let's quickly have a look on what else I made. I will start from rice, dalma, mushroom or chattu curry, kheer, aloo chutney, poi tawa bhaja, veggies pakoda, we commonly call it chips, liya pampado, chana masala. Then comes the must-have things on Odia Thali. Those are cucumber slices, lemon, green chili and salt. Lastly, to digest whole lot of food, we have buttermilk or chalha. I hope you liked this video. Please share your valuable feedbacks in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will come back with new video. Till then, bye bye.